Welcome to your English learning episode. Maybe you thought, if I'm struggling, something is wrong with me. Many people hope life will go smoothly. They want everything to be simple, with no hard problems. Maybe you have felt this way too, one day. Think about when you really improved your English. Was it when everything was simple? Or was it when you had to work hard, make mistakes, and learn from them? Real growth does not come from comfort. It comes from difficult moments when you must try again, even if you feel tired or afraid. Sometimes you miss the bus. These are small challenges, micro-adversities. They are not signs that you are failing. They are signs that you are learning and growing. Every small difficulty is like practice. Just as lifting small weights makes your body strong, facing life's small tests makes your mind and heart stronger. Let's see some daily challenges. In the morning, you spill your tea. You feel angry, but slowly learn to clean it up and move forward. At school, you try to answer in English but make a mistake. Your teacher says, "Good try. Try again next time." When you forget your notebook, instead of giving up, you ask your friend for help every step. Many think strength means being strong like an athlete, but real strength is deeper. It is emotional and mental strength. You feel nervous before a big test. But instead of running away, you take a deep breath and try your best. You feel shy talking to new classmates. Every time you try, your confidence grows. When you feel disappointed, you remember good things you did and prepare for tomorrow. Strength is not about being perfect. It is about trying, learning, and growing step by step for English learners. Practice speaking every day, even for 5 minutes. Read short English stories if you forget a word. Look up its meaning and continue. Listen to easy English audio. Repeat simple sentences. Doing these every day helps you improve with small mistakes and learning moments. Being strong also means being flexible. You can change your mind and approach. If reading books gets boring, watch short cartoons in English. If grammar is hard one day, practice speaking the next day. If one way does not work, try a new way. Seeing things in different ways helps you grow. Changing your beliefs helps you grow faster. Big problems are not the only teachers. Small, daily problems teach many lessons. If you don't understand homework, ask for help. If you feel nervous, practice by reading aloud to a pet or friend. If confused talking to someone, use simple words or gestures. These are practice moments for growth. Resilience means coming back after setbacks. If you get a low grade, ask, "How can I improve?" If you miss the bus, say, "Next time, I will be ready." If you feel shy, try again. It becomes easier each time. Every time you practice resilience, you become stronger. Your inner voice talks all day. Sometimes it says, "I'm not good enough." But you can answer, "I am learning." Gentle self-talk helps the most. Strong learners change negative thoughts. Instead of, "They will laugh at me," remember a friend who encourages you. Replace negative thoughts with kind ones. Being strong means accepting feelings. It's okay to feel sad or nervous. Tell someone, "I'm nervous, but I want to try." Accepting feelings helps you move forward. Asking for help is a strength. Ask a friend for book suggestions. Tell your teacher if you don't understand. Join groups where you can practice. Help connects you and helps you grow. Every small success matters. Remember a new word? Say hello to a new friend. Read a full page. Celebrate progress. Sometimes you are hard on yourself. Instead of "I can't," say "I'll try." When tired, rest instead of quitting. Be your own friend. Be kind to yourself. Say, "It's okay. Try again." Take breaks when tired. Self-kindness helps learning. Growth comes by pausing. Before reacting, take a breath. Think, what is the best next step? Ask, what lesson is here? Reflection helps you respond well. Practice every day. Read 3 sentences in the morning. Listen to easy audio. Write a few lines about your day. Small daily steps help a lot. You cannot control everything, but you can choose how you respond. Ask, "What can I do now?" Practice 5 minutes every day. When afraid, remember learning is a journey. Choices build your future. Your future depends on your choices today. Every question asked, every word spoken shapes your story. Your past doesn't decide your future, your choices do. Ask, who am I becoming? Today, you practice. Tomorrow, you learn something new. Next month, you become better. Strength is a process, not perfection. Remember, you are still growing. Every small win, every kind thought, and every practice helps. Thank you for joining this episode. You don't have to be perfect. Just keep trying every day. You are growing step by step.